Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. When you are referring to any material in artificial intelligence, you might have come across two different but similar terms. For example, you may have heard of machine learning, deep learning, data science, and so on and so forth. There are also several AI related job titles. These are like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, or a data scientist. So you may wonder what these terms are and how they are different and similar. Today's talk will try to answer all these questions. So in today's talk, these are the terms that we are going to see: artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning or ML, deep learning or DL, and data science or DS. So we'll see what these terms are and how they are different and related. Before we just see the main topic, we may ask, why AI? Why are so many people just like talking about AI? Gartner, which is the world's leading research and consulting firm, recently published the top 10 strategic technology trends for 2020. Based on the findings of this paper or this research, the first one was hyperautomation. This is using technology to automate tasks that once required humans. It deals with the application of advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, to increasingly automate process and augment humans. So hyperautomation is the first technology trend in 2020 where it uses ML and artificial intelligence to automate tasks. So we can see the importance and the trend of the technology here. So let's go back to our topic. So the first one is AI or artificial intelligence. It's just like the big spectrum. So this is an engineering field that makes intelligence machines and programs. For example, in robotics, a robot may automate a task that was once done by a human being. The other example is in vehicles. This is, for example, in self-driving cars. This is instead of a person driving the car may be automatically driven. So this is just like a very big engineering field. The other field, machine learning, is the subfield of artificial intelligence. That is the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. This is using data or experience. That means, let's say, for example, you want to predict house pricing. You may need to collect the prices of very large collection of houses, and also what are the information related to those houses. You may collect the area of the house, the number of rooms, the number of bathrooms, and based on that you may need to predict the price of that house. So this is an example of machine learning. The next one is deep learning. So as we can see from the diagram, this is a subset of machine learning. This is just like learning based on deep artificial neural networks. The concept of artificial neural networks is beyond the scope of this presentation, but this is specific techniques or algorithms that are used to learn based on the data. That means, for example, in image recognition, as I explained in my previous presentation, this is a way of just like gathering all the images and then just like feed into the algorithm and predict what these images are. So as we can see, AI is the big field, and then machine learning is a subset of that, and then deep learning is a subset of that, which is just like the smallest subset from that. But we may consider, the next one we can ask is, where is data science then? As we can see from this diagram, data science is using some or all the techniques from those fields. That means from artificial intelligence, machine learning, or deep learning. This is a multidisciplinary term for tools and techniques to solve complex analytical problems. If you want to just like solve any analytical problem, you just have to first collect the data and use those techniques to solve that problem. That is the field of data science. That means, So you may see now the connections or the relations of these fields. That means the artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning is the subset, deep learning is also another subset. And data science is a way of using those techniques to solve any analytical problem. That means. Hope that gives you some understanding on what these terms are and how they are related. If you are planning to transition to the field of artificial intelligence, please watch my YouTube video on advice on how you can transition to the career of artificial intelligence. If you want to know also how machine learning works, watch also my other videos so that it will give you a very simple way of explaining what the ML is. If you have any feedback about these talks, please feel free to leave comments. Thank you.